Community helpers, jobs and occupations. What does he do? He is a mechanic. Mechanic. He repairs all cars in his garage. What does he do? He is a lifeguard. Lifeguard. He helps swimmers who are in danger. What does he do? He is a bus driver. Bus driver. He drives a school bus. What does she do? She is a vet. Vet. She takes care of your pet's health. What do they do? They are vets too. What does she do? She is a teacher. Teacher. She helps kids to learn. What does he do? He is a firefighter. Firefighter. He stops the fire from spreading. What does she do? She is a hairdresser. Hairdresser. She makes our hair look gorgeous. What do they do? They are doctors. Doctors. They cure sick people. What does she do? She is a nurse. Nurse. She takes care of the patients. What does he do? He is a photographer. Photographer. He takes pictures. What does he do? He is a police officer. Police officer. He keeps people safe. What do they do? They are police officers too. What does he do? He is a musician. He plays the saxophone. What does he do? He is a pilot. Pilot. He flies planes. What does he do? He is a cook. Cook. He cooks food. What do they do? They are cooks too.